Hello, this is Rena with Lylo Crafts coming on today just with a quick share of the corner of my craft room and also my dining room table. And so this is my Easter tree that I'm starting off with, and I moved the lollipop up to the top. I had it off for St. Patrick's Day, and then here's one of those little eggs that I just created yesterday along with the tutorial. And then I also got to put in all these sweet ornaments that Donna Cianti, who is now Donna Designs here on YouTube, and I'll put a link to her channel in the description below. She made all of these sweet ornaments right there for me, those three that I showed you, and there's more to come. Here's another bunny that I made with a little Easter egg. And then here's a sweet little Easter basket that I got from Gina from Gina Loves to Craft. So I just love that. And there's a chocolate bunny. Oh my goodness. And then coming down to the bottom, you can see here's another bunny that I have, and another ornament from Donna, and then even one of my sweet little twine eggs in the background. And then I used this Hobby Lobby garland that I hauled recently at the 90% off sale. It was really for Valentine's Day. But I love pink and cream. I think that can go all spring and even into the summer. And so you can see, here's another one of those sweet little Easter baskets that Gina gave me. So adorable. And then I placed these two giant bunnies into the corner that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then I just sprinkled little colored Easter eggs throughout. So that is it. So this is the corner of my craft room, and I'm going to take you down to my dining room table next. But before we do, I just wanted to say I would love for you to subscribe and become part of my Lylo Crafts family here on YouTube. And if you can give this video a thumbs up if you liked any part of it, I would really appreciate it, as that really helps my channel. Okay, let's go downstairs. Okay, so now this is my dining room table, and so I made, I just have like this raised cake plate, and I purchased these bunnies a couple years ago after Easter on sale, and those are my twine covered eggs that I did. So I've got those in there, and then I've got a pea pod, and then a couple of different carrots. I think I purchased those one from Cost Plus and one from Hobby Lobby. And then next to it, I have this darling Easter egg, Ray Dunn Easter egg with a sweet bunny hugging the Easter egg on the top. Okay, and so next we are by my entryway, and I've just got like a little buffet hutch here. And so I've got that beautiful rabbit that Donna made for me, along with some peonies next to these cattails that I keep up all year round. And then moving over, you can see here's the Easter basket that I have, and it's got all kinds of bright and beautiful vegetables and some farm fresh eggs, faux. There's another one of those jute covered twine Easter eggs. I've got some buffalo check carrots, I've got turnips, I've got beets in there. So cute. And then the sign in front, which says "Be kind," which is Ray Dunn. I just think that is so important. And there's so many people in this world who are hurt and who therefore are hurting others. And I think we could help change that if we could just be more kind and be cognizant of that. And then just over here in the corner, I've got my little honey bunny jar that my sweet husband got for me about 3 years ago. It's a Ray Dunn jar. And next, I've just got this sweet little rabbit that I got from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, as well as the Welcome Peep sign, and I believe I got that from Hobby Lobby as well. And this is just, you know, a small table we have. And then in my kitchen, I just have this sweet little Happy Easter truck from the Dollar Tree with a little bunny climbing in to try and get the carrots, as well as just a little ceramic container with a few more of those very pretty eggs that I have. read. And lastly, in my kitchen, I have another little cake plate on our little kitchen table that has these plaid bunnies on them, a little house, and a happy Easter sign, and just a little, little bunny pot that I made last year. Thank you so much for coming along with me and checking out the few Easter decorations that we have in our home. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.